Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful glam tray. Now this is a tray that I bought on sale and used all dollar store items to give it the glam. If you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. Now this is the tray, you guys. I found it in HomeSense. They're having their end of season sale, and this thing is battered and bruised. You hear me? But I only paid $3 for it, so I thought, what the heck. It has a slight little bend on the side, but we know how to take care of that. So let's start putting this glam tray together. Now here are the items that you'll need for your tray. Of course, you'll need a tray. Then with that, you'll need some beads. I got these at the dollar store for $1. I got 2 packs. I'll also be using my mirrored tiles, also from the dollar store. Now I'm using these square mirrors. These came 3 in a pack for $2 from the Dollarama, but I did not get them there. I actually bought them at the Salvation Army for 99 cents, and they're 3 in a pack. I'm going to be using some cement. You can also use E6000 if you like, as well as my handy dandy glue gun. I will also be using this razor to cut my tiles so I don't break them when I do so. Okay, so I've already pre-cut and measured my tiles, and I'll be starting on the inside, and I'll be placing the tiles on the edges all the way around at first. Right now I'm just removing the back from the tile. It's actually self-adhesive, but I use the cement, as you'll see me doing here, to give it a stronger hold, and for a quick fix I use the hot glue just to hold it in place immediately for the sake of this video. Now that I've added the hot glue, I will just carefully place it in the corner. That's my starting point. Making sure that I have everything aligned, and then I will just press it in to make sure it adheres. Alright, first piece down. I will do it all the way around, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. After working my way around, this is what it looks like. The inside part is finished for the top. And for the handles, I will be using the beads just to cover any of the imperfections from the tiles. The next step will be to place the actual mirrors to the bottom of the tray. So I'm placing them along the edges. There's the second one, and then what you'll notice is that I'm going to have a gap in the center, running right along the center. So what I'll do with that is I will cover that with more of the mirror tiles right along the center. Let's keep working. Now, just as before, I have measured and glued down my mirror tiles right down the center, and then I'll be adding the mirrors on top of that. Now you can do it the opposite way if you choose to do so, which is to lay your mirror pieces down first and then add the mirror tiles to the top of that. But I kind of like the dimension that it kind of gives me, adding the mirrors after I've added the tiles. Does that make sense? You'll see what I'm talking about as we go along. Okay, so now that I've added the glue, I will just be placing again, as I showed you before, in the very corner, holding it in and pressing it in firmly to make sure that it is securely adhered to the tray. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining mirrors, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. And here it is, guys. The inside is all done. I've added the mirrors, I've added the mirror tiles all the way around, and I even went ahead and added the beads to the handles on the inner part of the tray. As you can see, using the same method, I have started to work on the outside of the tray, and I'm going to take that all the way around and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. We have made much progress. I have finished going around the tray all the way around, and now I'm just going to be working on the top to cover it so you don't see the color of the tray coming through. Now if you notice, you can see that I have gaps in between the tiles, so I will be using the beads that I have here to cover those gaps using my hot glue gun, and after that we will be all done. Alright penny pinchers, we are at the end. I'm just going to give it a good clean right now using a paper towel that I've dipped in warm water and vinegar. Just give it a good little, cleaning. I'm going to do it to all of the tray, including the mirrors on the inside. And when we come back, we will be styling. And here it is, penny pinchers, in all of its glory, looking beautiful, sparkly, shiny, glamorous, elegant. I could not have been more pleased with the way this tray turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this tray. I think it turned out beautifully. As you can see, I've added some more beads to the outside handle of the tray to make it uniform with the inside, as well as to cover up some of the tiles. I also went ahead and added some bling to the four corners of the tray to add a little bit more sparkle, as well as to tidy it up a bit. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.